Welcome to Tiny DIY Craft. Hope you enjoy the video. Attach the box base. Make the container box. Insert the spinner rods. Add the beads. Stick the stickers on. Add more decorations. Wow, such a beautiful snack box. Cut each part. Attach the magnets. Make the tray. All done. Create the storage box. Cut along the mold. Add the toppings. Make strawberry slime. Aw, that's adorable. Let's color together. Cut a small slit. Bend it as instructed. Attach the parts. Make the container box. Add color. Cut along the pattern. Put them together. Shape cute little characters. Let's put them in the box. Let's unbox together. Create the characters. Such a cute little card, isn't it? Cut along the shape. Wrap around the lollipop. Attach the lollipop. Make a transparent box. Color it up. Make a spinner. Add the magnet. A magic box completed. This syringe isn't scary, right? Make the syringe case. Create the small syringe. Make the spring. Done. Such a cute mini calculator. Make the number buttons. Create sticky notes. Cut out a heart shape. Add glitter inside. Stick it in place. Isn't it beautiful? So creative. Grab your pen and let's draw. how it turned out? Whoa! Such unique spinners! Draw the decorations. Make the spinner shaft. Such adorable little animals. Let's get started. Attach it. A unique fruit tray. Make the tray. Create the box. Make the spinning toy. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.